In this video, I will show you how to change skin color in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on Roblox.com. Now, once you're on Roblox and you're logged into your account, it's really easy to change your skin tone. All you want to do is come over to the left-hand side and expand the menu if you haven't done so already. Then what you need to do is go ahead and click here where it says Avatar. And it's going to take you across to your avatar editor where we can make changes to our current avatar. So you can see I've currently got this blue skin tone. Now to go ahead and change this, you want to come up to the options at the top and hover over the head and body option. And from here, you just want to come down and click onto skin tone. So you can see that's just here. Then we can go ahead and choose our skin tone. So you can see there's a wide variety of colors to choose from. So when you click onto these, it's going to give you a preview, just like so. And what you can even do is come down and click onto advanced, just down here. And you've got the option to change individual parts of your avatar. So for example, we could click onto head and change the color of the head for our avatar, and we can change different parts, like for example the arms and the legs. Once you're happy with your changes, just come down and click done, and as you can see, we've now gone ahead and changed the skin color in Roblox. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.